3D printing has taken the world by storm, quite literally, as in 1 to 2 million people now have a 3D printer in their household worldwide. Today we're going to sum up the costs, the expenses, and if you will actually save on your items. So let's get into it. First, we've got vases. You'll probably see these in nearly every household in Britain, holding some flowers, especially on Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. I mean, if you've got a 3D printer, perfect. Save yourself a few quid. They are £1.50 worked out to print one of these. Don't know for one of these. This is a nice one that I did. All these will be available on our Etsy shop very soon. Link in channel description. Let me talk properly first. If you've got any video ideas as well, drop a comment, because I want to make stuff that you'd actually watch, that you want to watch, or there's no point me doing this, is there? Now, other things like mounts. I've made a couple of things myself for functional use, like little desk tidies. I mean, they're not major, I wouldn't really have bought one of them, but mounts for the projectors, you know, the Magicubic HY300 projectors that went viral on TikTok and YouTube and everywhere for dropshippers and stuff like that. You could buy them on AliExpress for 20 quid if you were thinking of getting one. But the mounts for that was a good design idea. They kind of took off a bit for us. But yeah, that's what it can be used for, mounts, stuff like that, especially GoPro and adventure equipment, because they are always in need. And another thing, if you are a builder, you might want to consider getting yourself a 3D printer. I shouldn't tell you this because I'd be put out of market. But if you've got one of the DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0, not got any on here with me, you know the nesting bins that you need to keep buying? You can print them off super cheap. People sell them on eBay for 30 quid. You can print them out for 7 quid. That's how good it can be if you need it. Mass production, really, for the stuff you need. If you're just getting it to print a couple of things, and if you want it as a hobby, completely fine, do it. But if you want to do it as to save money, no. You'll just waste your money. You'll just waste all your filament printing toys and fidget toys and stuff like that. But yeah, if you got any questions and comments, video ideas, leave a comment. I will reply to it, don't worry. So yeah, subscribe. Ain't much more to say, is there? I'll see you next time.